Hello, my name is Alicia Hayek, and this is my Module 4 KESA video. My district is just beginning the KESA accreditation process. We are in year 1, and we are preparing for our first visit from our outside validation or visitation team, which will be next month. Looking at the 4 R's, the first R is relationships, and our strengths are our staff and our students. We're transitioning both of those, and our opportunities are family and community. Our family relationships is one of the goals that I actually made with my principal, and we'll get to that later. And then our R2 is relevance, and our district does pretty well with that. Curriculum and instruction, we both have been transitioning. And then implementing technology and engagement, we're both in between implementing and transitioning, so I went ahead and put them as opportunities for that R. R3 is responsive culture, and our strengths are leadership and early childhood. We're actually working on a big early childhood new program right now, and so that's in between transitioning and modeling. And then district climate and nutrition and wellness, we're both in implementing. We have new programs under both of those that we've started, but they're just not, they haven't been established long enough to be in the transitioning and modeling phase yet. R4 is rigor, and our strengths are resources and data, and our opportunities are professional learning and career and tech ed. Professional learning we've discovered is a big opportunity for us, mainly because we're not documenting enough. We do enough of it, we're just not having enough documentation behind it. So that's kind of where my school and partially my district stands on the 4 R's. My improvement plan that I worked with my principal on, the 2 goal areas are relationships, specifically families, and then rigor with the career and tech ed. Our first goal is about family and the relationships with our family. Our school has always struggled to have good family involvement, so that's a goal that we really want to work on. We're a Title I school, and so we don't have tons of parent involvement, and we try different things. We try family nights, we try all this kind of stuff to try to get our families involved, but we wanted to make a goal to even move that more. So I have some things we can do to improve that. A parent survey is one of the things to provide information about what parents would like to come and do and how parents would like to be engaged. That meets the standard 8C specifically, and that is about engaging families in two-way communication. Another thing that we could do to improve this is more professional development for staff members on how to engage families, especially in our Title I building. And that meets standard 6C, which is about developing teachers and staff through professional development. And then my last area to work, my last plan item is dedicating a staff member to head a family engagement activity. And I found that idea just by reading through the KESA rubrics. My second goal is career and tech ed. We are first looking at our results on the KESA rubric. We were really thinking that career and tech ed doesn't apply to elementary, but then we were thinking it probably should. We do some stuff with our elementary students for your career and tech ed, but I think we can do a lot more. My plan includes partnering with community members for more career and college exploration, and that meets standard 8J, which is about building productive partnerships with the community. Monthly STEM days to promote technical stuff and get kids interested in that, and then visiting local businesses to build career awareness, which also meets a standard, which is 3F, and that's about preparing students for productivity in the community. So those are my 2 goals for our KESA results. In my conversation with my principal, we talked a little bit about his leadership style, and then I also decided kind of where I think he fits based on just how I know him. He began his career as an autocratic leader with kind of the my way, their highway thoughts. And now he is more of a democratic leader, and he also follows the trait theory. So it's really great to work for him, and the trait theory, I see that a lot in him. He really thinks that it's more important that you're a good person and that you're willing to work with other people and not so much just on your teaching abilities. Obviously that's important, but he really focuses on a team player. Thank you for watching.